Where is the in and out for the water?
Yes, in and out of the water cooling.
This one, number one, you have to trace. This one, it go here. This is the in. Okay?
So the water pump is connected there.
Okay? Yeah. Connected here, it will go to the radiator. When they are reached already, let's sample 90 degrees, it will start to open this one.
The thermostat bulb.
The thermostat bulb. So the water from there go inside this. There is heater line, no? This is the heater. Yeah, there is two line here.
Oh, meter pala yun.
Heater, no? So it was during the winter time when too much cold, you have selector inside, no? In the AC switch unit. There is red and blue. You will adjust like 21, 23 degrees, no? To make it warm. But if the heater is cancelled, it doesn't work because already cancelled. Okay? Here, thermostat is inside. This is lower, The upper hose is there.
This
That
is
one
hot.
is upper hose.
Oh, this
okay?
one cold, this one hot.
Okay. Alternator is on this side.
Din pala yun.
So, as you can see, there is pipe here. This is for the AC. This cold. Okay? This is low sanction or low pressure. The other one, this one, high pressure. So every time it was hot. Okay? So as you can see, there is difference. This is bigger, the high side, and this is the lower. It was smaller for the coolant, for the AC. Okay?
Okay, yun.
Top up yun, no? We will do the AC also. If you have some issue with your AC, we will check.
Sir, may AC sometimes cooling, sometimes not cooling. You bring it.
When it cooling while running time here, okay.
Sir, na
Okay.
alternator.
Alternator is on the other side here. Here, the alternator.
Maybe that one below.
The alternator is on this side. Okay.
That is what
There
is
is
this name, sir?
leakage,
Map
huh?
sensor.
Knock
Ang
sensor
map
down.
sensor.
Ubus na siya. So there is severe leakage, no? So as you can see the condition of the